Namaste. From today, I will start with this new mantra series. So, in every episode, I will recite a specific mantra for 108 times. As well as I will share the significance of that mantra so that you all can start chanting it based on your requirements and your situation. So far, I have shared so many videos, blogs, but this is something new. And this is the real thing. Because mantra chanting is the only way to overcome this monkey mind. The more the mind is on the outside, the more you will become restless. And the more the mind is turned inwards, the more you will attain peace. But to bring this transformation, it is necessary that you start doing daily mantra chanting. And so, on this note, I am starting with this first episode, the most beautiful, powerful, and soothing Ganesha mantra. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Always remember, it is Gam and not Gana. It is Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. So let's begin with this chanting of 108 times Ganesha mantra. Before you start chanting the great Ganesha mantra, you should understand the several benefits that you can gain through this mantra chanting. The very first is that it removes obstacles. Lord Ganesha is known as the remover of obstacles. Chanting this mantra helps to overcome hurdles and challenges in life, both external and internal. The second benefit is that it increases wisdom and knowledge. Lord Ganesha is also associated with intellect and wisdom. By chanting this mantra, one can seek guidance, clarity, and enhance their knowledge and understanding. The third benefit is that it helps you to promote success and prosperity. Lord Ganesha is considered the deity of success and prosperity. Chanting this mantra can attract positive energies, abundance, and good fortune into your life. The fourth benefit is that it enhances focus and concentration. The repetitive chanting of the mantra aids in calming the mind and improving focus and concentration. It helps to quiet the restless thoughts and promotes mindfulness. The fifth benefit is that it balances energies. Lord Ganesha is believed to represent the harmonious flow of energies. Chanting this mantra promotes a balanced state of mind. And the sixth benefit of chanting this beautiful mantra is that it purifies and protects. The vibrations created by chanting this mantra have a purifying effect on both the physical and the sukshma level. It helps in cleansing negative influences and protecting one from harm. So, overall, chanting the Ganesha mantra brings about spiritual growth, removes obstacles, and creates a positive and auspicious atmosphere for personal and professional growth. And so now I will start chanting the beautiful, soothing Ganesha mantra. ॐ गं गणपतये नमः। 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 Every morning 20 minutes and every evening 20 minutes start chanting this mantra and you will be all right. If you are a student, you will improve in your studies, you will get good grades. If you are a working person, then you will excel in your performance. And if you are a businessman, definitely you will get new ideas to gain new profits. Overall, this is a beautiful mantra that helps to bring more prosperity, peace, and love in your life. So get started and be consistent. If you are not able to be consistent, then it is because you haven't yet understood the significance of it. Once you understand the significance of something, then automatically you become consistent. Just the way when you fall in love with a woman, you are very consistent in giving her a daily call. Why? Because you have fallen in love. So when you fall in love with a specific mantra and a deity, you will definitely become consistent. It all depends on how much you have fallen in love and whether you have understood the significance of it. Enough for now. Tomorrow I will come with a new mantra with new benefits. Jai Sri Ganesha. Jai Guru. ओम गम गणपतये नमः। ओम गम गणपतये नमः। ओम गम गणपतये नमः।